Let's sketch y equals 3x plus 2. The 2 is the y-intercept, so we go up 2 units, 1, 2. You can draw a point there. And the slope is 3 over 1. So that means the rise is 3. You go up 1, 2, 3, and you go 1 to the right. So this is your second point. And then all we do now is we just extend the line that goes through these 2 points. And if you really want to extend the line out further, you can. And when you say sketch y is greater than this line, what we want to do is we want to shade the region that is above the line. For example, this is Canada, and this is a border, this is the USA. So the solution region is the shaded region above. However, when we're talking about y is less than 3x plus 2, it's the same line, but instead of shading this top region, we're going to shade the bottom region. So let's show this on Desmos. So we know how to sketch y equals 3x plus 2, but when we change the equal sign to the greater than sign, or greater than or equals to, you can see that we have a solid line, and we shade Canada up here. But when we change this inequality to less than, notice how the line is no longer solid. It is now dashed. So this means that if you live right on the border, you're not in the solution region. It does not include the actual border region. Whereas if you change this to less than equals to, it becomes a solid line. Now let's take a look at question 4. Y is greater than x squared minus 4. We know y equals x squared minus 4 is a solid line. It's a parabola that's shifted down 4 units. But when you say y is greater than this quadratic, we're going to shade everything above this region. And the boundary line is dashed because we're not including the endpoint. Now what about 9 minus x squared? We know what y equals negative x squared plus 9. That's the same thing, I'm just rearranging left and right. This is an upside down quadratic. We can even solve the x-intercepts if you really think about it. When you plug in x equals 3, 3 squared is 9, we have negative 9 plus 9 is 0. But the question is saying, can you sketch y is less than or equals to 9 minus x squared? So what's below this region, including the endpoint? Could you imagine this is the answer? Now it's your turn.